In this quick video, I'll show you how to buy Wojak Coin step by step. So the first step is to go to app.uniswap.org, then click here and connect your wallet. As you can see, I've already connected my MetaMask wallet. Then go to coinmarketcap.com and on the search bar, tap down Wojak. Click here and on the left side, just scroll down and you'll see here the contract address. Just copy this and go to your MetaMask wallet. Make sure that you're using Ethereum network. Then scroll down, click import tokens, click custom token and paste it here. Click add custom token, click import tokens, and now you can see here the Wojak coin in your MetaMask wallet. Now let's go back to app.uniswap.org. Click here and select a token you want to swap, for example Ethereum. Click here and paste the address here. Click here, click here, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, for example 1 Ethereum. Then you will receive this amount of Wojak coin. Once you have typed down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap, click here and a confirmation from MetaMask will pop up. Make sure that you leave enough Ethereum in your MetaMask wallet to pay for the gas fee. And once you have paid for the gas fee, wait for the transaction to be completed. And then once the transaction has been completed, go back to your MetaMask wallet and check if you have received the Wojak coin in your MetaMask wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Wojak coin, leave a comment below.